Inside the Palazzo Ducale of Urbino, something important is visible again. Not only restored rooms, but a restored idea of culture and power. The Duchess's apartment is open again. These rooms were once lived spaces. They were part of daily life at court. They were made for presence, not for display. This restoration brings back clarity. Walls, ceilings, and surfaces are readable again. Details return to their original balance. Nothing is excessive. Nothing is decorative by accident. In the Sala delle Veglie, the story of Urbino's artistic world takes shape. This was a place of conversation, music, and thought. Art here was not decoration, it was language. The room reflects a court that believed in culture, a court that protected artists, writers, and thinkers. Painting, poetry, and architecture work together. The architecture is central. Vaults and ceilings guide the eyes. Stucco decorations create movement and light. Figures seem to float above the space. The ceiling becomes active, not static. This restoration respects the original design. It removes what time has hidden. It does not add noise. It allows the space to speak again. The artworks are not isolated. They are placed inside a clear historical context. Here, art belongs to the room, and the room gives meaning to the art. In the Salotto della Duchessa, the presence of Raphael is essential. His works are shown as part of a wider cultural environment. Urbino appears as a place of ideas, not only of masterpieces. Around him, other artists come into focus. Painters and sculptors who worked in Urbino and beyond. Different paths, different styles, but a shared language. The visit continues through rooms once decorated with tapestries. These works transform the space. They create landscapes of nature and imagination. They remind us that decoration was once total and immersive. Tapestries were symbols of power and wealth. They converted walls completely. They changed rooms into stories. What we see today is not a nostalgic reconstruction. It is a critical restoration, a project that restores meaning before beauty. The Duchess Apartment returns as a place of measure and intelligence, a place where art, architecture, and history speak together. Walking through these rooms means slowing down, observing carefully, understanding how culture once shaped space and life. This restoration does not celebrate the past. It makes it readable again and asks us to look with attention. And this is Simona Cochi, The Italian Way.